Massage is very popular. People love massages, because they feel good. Massages can really relax you. Touch is important, it helps us connect, and it can also heal. Massage uses touch to help you feel better. A good massage needs a good environment. The room should be quiet and warm. Soft music can help, and dim lights are good too. A comfortable table is important. Always ask the person about their comfort level. Start with gentle strokes. These are called effleurage. Use your palms to make long strokes. Petrissage is another technique. It uses kneading motions. Use your fingers and thumbs for this. These techniques help relax muscles and improve blood flow. Oils and lotions help your hands glide. They reduce friction, making the massage smoother. Use a small amount of oil and warm it in your hands first. Always ask about allergies before using scents. Section 5. Safety first. Precautions and when to avoid massage. Massage is safe for most people, but there are some precautions. Avoid massaging areas with injuries. If someone has a fever, don't massage them. Pregnant women should consult a doctor first. If you are unsure, ask a healthcare professional. Section 6. Achieving a professional touch. Communication is key. Ask about pressure preference. Adjust your touch based on feedback. Pay attention to body language. Maintain a calm and respectful demeanor. These tips will make you a better massage giver. Section 7. The benefits of massage. Massage has many benefits. It can reduce stress and anxiety. Massage can relieve muscle tension. It can improve sleep quality. Some people use it for pain management. Section 8. The importance of practice. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Start with short massage sessions. Gradually increase the time. Ask for feedback from the person you are massaging. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the art of massage. Massage is a wonderful skill. It's a gift you can share. With practice, you can master the art of massage. You can help others feel better.